We'll take up some neat questions that is about complex permanent tissues. Okay. So first question, how many types of cells present in a complex tissues? So how many types of cells are present in a complex tissues? So option is more than one, more than a three, one type, three type. So complex permanent tissues, so always with the more than one. So simple permanent tissue is made up of only one type of cells. If it is a tissue, it's made up of more than one type of cells. Hence it is called as a complex tissues anta kariತೀವಿ. They are called as a complex tissue. Option A is the right answer. Second one. The functions of xylem are conduct a water from root to stem and leaves, conduct a minerals from root to stem and leaves, provide a mechanical strength to the plant, and all of this. So what is the function of xylem here? Conduct a water from a root, stem, leaves. That is also right. So conduction of mineral from root, stem and leaves. That is also right. And provides some mechanical strength to the plant. That is also right. The mechanical strength is given by the xylem fibers. So answer is all of this. The xylem is composed of how many different elements? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Xylem composed of how many different elements? So option D is the right answer. Yav barutte? Tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, ಮತ್ತೆ xylem parenchyma. Among three, these are the three are dead cells. Xylem parenchyma are living cells. Okay. Gymnosperms lacks dash in their xylem. Option A tracheids, option B vessels, option C xylem fibers, option D xylem parenchyma. So the vessels is the main characteristic feature of an angiosperm sandaga. The vessels will be absent in the gymnosperms. So option B is the right answer. So there will be lack of vessels in the gymnosperms, we can say that. Xylem parenchyma stores. So xylem parenchyma stores food material, that is such as a starch. Got it? Starch. It also stores the food. It also stores the tannins. So answer is all of this. Next, phloem parenchyma stores. So option is resins, option B latex, option C mucilage. So option D is the all of this. So here, so your phloem parenchyma stores, it also stores the resins, it also stores the latex, it also stores the mucilage. So option is all of this. So these are all three substances are stored by the phloem parenchyma. Seventh question, select the incorrect statement from the following. Option A, vessels members are interconnected through a perforations their common walls. Okay. Option B, presence of vessels is a characteristic feature of an angiosperms. Option C, radial conduction of water takes place by the ray parenchymatous cells. Option D, tracheids and vessels, xylem sclerenchyma and parenchyma are without protoplast. So incorrect statement na hudukbekili naಲ್ಕು options ಅಲ್ಲಿ. First option ನೋಡೋಣ, vessel members are interconnected through a perforations through common walls. That is the right, true, correct agide adu. Okay, so that is a correct one. Presence of vessels is the characteristic feature of an angiosperms. This is also correct one. So vessels are always restricted to the angiosperms. Radial conduction of water takes place by the ray parenchymatous. That's also true. Tracheids, vessels, xylem sclerenchyma and parenchyma are without protoplast antide. So without protoplast andaga tracheids, vessels and xylem sclerenchyma are without a protoplast, but whereas What about parenchyma? Parenchyma is a living cells. It consists of a protoplast. So hence option D is the incorrect one. Option D is the incorrect one. Eighth question. Protoplast is absent in all except. Protoplast absent in all except. So tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem sclerum and xylem parenchyma. So protoplast is absent except in the xylem parenchyma because tracheids, vessels, xylem sclerenchyma or protoplasm is absent except in xylem parenchyma. Since xylem parenchyma is a living cells, it consists of a tracheids. Ninth question. The primary xylem elements formed are called dash and the secondary xylem formed are called dash. The first xylem elements are formed are called as a protoxylem. Okay, and the secondary xylem is called as a metaxylem. Option on protoxylem, metaxylem, protoxylem, metaxylem and protoxylem. So the first formed elements are first xylem elements are called as a protoxylem and secondary xylem formed called as a metaxylem. So option C is the right answer. Tenth question. In a stem, the protoxylem lie towards the pith. Said. Okay, that's right. Option B. Metaxylem lies towards the periphery of organs. That's right. Protoxylem facing towards the pith andaga, metaxylem obviously that is opposite to the under peripheral irutte. Endark arrangement is a present. So that's also right. Endark, the position of protoxylem matters. Protoxylem facing towards inner side andaga, inner towards inner andaga endark. Exarch andaga outside. So that is endark arrangement is present. So option is all of this. So answer all of the above. Stem alli yavaglu endark position irutte. In root, endark arrangement is present, exarch arrangement is present, protoxylem lie towards the center, metaxylem lie towards the periphery. So in root alli yavaglu option B, exarch arrangement is present because protoxylem lies towards the center andaga, metaxylem facing towards the periphery andaga, that is a endark agutte. But root always a exarch. Your protoxylem facing towards outside, metaxylem facing towards the inner side. Next, 12th question. The phloem transports option A water, B minerals, food materials, all of this. So phloem, it is always a conductor of food materials from the leaves to the different parts of a plant, but it does not conduct a water or mineral. The water and mineral are only restricted to the xylem. So option C is the right answer. That is phloem transporter only with the food materials. Next, 13th question. How many elements are composed in phloem in angiosperms? So how many elements composed in the phloem of angiosperms? So nodi, option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D is the 4. So here option D is the right answer because phloem consists of a sieve-tube elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. These are the 4 different types of cells which is present in a phloem. Phloem is composed of all except. Phloem is a composite of all except, that is sieve-tube elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and sclerenchyma vessels. So here phloem is a composite of all except sieve-tube elements ide adralli, that is right. Companion cells ide, phloem is consists of a companion cells. Phloem parenchyma is also there. Phloem sclerenchyma andrunu phloem fibers antanu karibodu. So vessels are only present in the xylem, not with the phloem. So this is the incorrect one. That is all except, that is a vessels. 15th one. Gymnosperm possess a sieve-tube cells, companion cells, option C albuminous cells and sieve cells, and D is the all of this. So gymnosperms possess always a albuminous cells and a sieve cells. It was means so where it lacks the sieve tubes and companion cells. Instead of these two cells, it consists of albuminous and sieve cells. So that is the answer. C is the right answer. 16th question ನೋಡೋಣ. Select incorrect statement from the following. So incorrect statement ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Option A, end walls of a sieve tube have a sieve plates. That's right. Correct ಆಗಿದೆ. They have a sieve plates at the end walls. Sieve tube and companion cells are connected present between the common longitudinal wall. Of course, so the common longitudinal wall that going to share between the sieve tube and companion cells. Companion cells are specialized parenchyma cells having a nucleus which controls the function of sieve tube cells. Of course, that is also true. Phloem parenchyma is present in most of monocots. Though this is the wrong one, this is the incorrect one. Because phloem parenchyma is absent in monocots. If I take any plant, if phloem parenchyma is there, you can conclude that is a dicot. ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಡೈಕಾಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ phloem parenchyma is absent in monocots. 17th question. Following are live components of phloem except. Following are live components except. So options ನೋಡೋಣ. A, sieve tube, B, companion cells, C, phloem parenchyma, and D is the phloem fibers. Look at here. Sieve tube cells are also living cell. Companion cell also living cell. Phloem parenchyma is also living cells. But phloem fiber is the dead cells. So except phloem fiber, remaining 3 cells are living cells. Option D is the right answer. 18th question. The following dead components of xylem except. Following dead components xylem except. So option tracheids, option B vessels, option C xylem parenchyma ಅಥವಾ wood fibers ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Option is xylem parenchyma. So sorry, option C is xylem sclerenchyma or wood fibers. Option D is xylem parenchyma. So following are dead components of xylem except ನೋಡಿ xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma is only living cells. Xylem sclerenchyma, vessels, tracheids ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, they are dead cells with due to the lignification on their walls. So lignin present in there, that is the hardest material. So due to lignification, the protoplasm will become last absent. So hence they are the dead cells. Xylem parenchyma only a living cells. 19th question. Select the correct statement from the following. Companion cells help maintaining a pressure gradient in the sieve tube cells. So that is the right one. Option B, phloem parenchyma stores a food material. So that's also right one. The bast fibers are generally absent in the primary phloem but are found in the secondary phloem. That's also right. So option is all of this. 20th question. Following are the features of phloem fibers except. Following the features of phloem fibers except. Pointed APSs, of course. More elongated, of course. Branched, option C is branched, option D is unbranched ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So look at here, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Pointed is APSs, so it is elongated and pointed, ಈ ಥರ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನೀಡಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ APSs that is present, but more elongated. Of course elongated ಇದೆ. Branched or unbranched, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ನಮಗೆ. So it is always a unbranched. Got it? So except branched, this is the except, there is exception, branches iralla, only with the unbranched. There is a elongated, much more elongated needle like APSs unbranched anta karitivi. It is not get branched, so branched will not be there. Option C is the answer. Next, phloem fibers which is commercially used. So option A is jute, flax, hemp. So option is all of this. So that is the right answer. Option is All of this is jute, flax, hemp, they are commercially used. 22nd question. Select the incorrect matching. Option A, protoploem, narrow pseudotubes, metaploem, bigger pseudotubes, gymnosperms, albuminous cells and sieve cells, gymnosperms, vessels in the xylem. So incorrect match ನಮಗೆ easily identify ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Protoploem, that is a early phloem, that is consist of a means so that is a narrow pseudotube cells, that is also right one. Metaploem also consists of a bigger pseudotube cells. Gymnosperms has a albuminous cells and sieve cells, but gymnosperms lack of a vessels. This is the incorrect match. Okay, so option D is the right answer. 23. In Pteridophyta, gymnosperms, which cells are present in the place of companion cells? So here companion cells ಬದಲು gymnosperm Pteridophyta ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, look at here. Options sclerites, option B albuminous cells, idioblastus, none of this. Gymnosperms, they have a companion cells and sieve cells. Pseudotube cells na replace ಮಾಡೋದು sieve cells. Your companion cells are replaced with the albuminous cells. So option B is the right answer. 24th. Both vessels and companion cells are absenting. Both vessels and companion cells are absenting. Option A ನೋಡೋಣ. Angiosperms, Pteridophyta, option B. Option C, gymnosperms. Option D, both B and C. See, vessels ಅಂದಾಗ that is restricted to a angiosperms. Companion cells are absent in both Pteridophyta and gymnosperms. Option D is the right answer. Pteridophyta, gymnosperms lack of vessels and companion cells. 25th. The only plant cell without nuclei among the following are: option A, cambium cells, option B, cells of pericycle, option xylem parenchyma, option D is pseudotube cells. So pseudotube cells only with the lack of a nucleus, still it is a living. Any living cells without a nucleus is always a pseudotubes. The functions of pseudotube cells controlled by the nucleus of companion cells. Got it? So option D is the right answer. 26th question. Companion cells are usually seen associated with, so option A, fibers, option B, vessels, option C, tracheids, option D is pseudotubes. So it is option D is the pseudotube cells, because companion cell pseudotube cells are associated with each other with a common longitudinal wall. Hence the companion cells and pseudotube cells are also called as a sister cells anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. We called as a sister cells. 27. The chief function of a pseudotube is translocate organic materials manufactured in the leaves. It conduct minerals. C, transport water from root to leaves to help the plant forming a wood. Since your pseudotube is a part of phloem, so it is only transport of a food materials. It does not form a forming wood. That is not right. It is not, does not conduct means transport a water, because it is not a xylem part. It does not conduct a mineral also. So option A is the right answer. Translocate organic materials manufactured in the leaves. The organic materials is nothing but a food that is produced in the leaves, that is means conducted by the pseudotube cells. The last question. The function of storage is performed by parenchyma, sclerenchyma, phloem, and all of this. The function of storage is always performed by a parenchyma. So parenchyma is stores food material, starch, fat, resins, latex, mucilage, tannins. This is all secretion is performed by the parenchyma cells. So here I am going to end up with this session. Dear students, if you have any doubts, please let me know, and hopefully you are doing well. So ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ನ, ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ 28 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾಗಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7411861375. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.